Hello, I'm Dee Woolridge, award-winning author, international speaker, and success coach. I'm also a certified clinical hypnotherapist, and a common question I get is, do you need good looks and wealth to be confident? And the answer is no. Some blame their low self-confidence to their lack of good looks and poor upbringing, but there are so many famous, wealthy, and physically beautiful people who lack self-confidence and have low self-esteem. Just look at all the hundreds of Hollywood elite who fall into depression, suicide, or drugs and alcohol addiction. Self confidence has nothing to do with looks or money. It is a reflection of one's inner self love and trust. Learning to believe in yourself and letting go of negative beliefs about oneself is the key. If you'd like more information, you can find it on my website. I'm Dee Woolridge, author, speaker, coach, and certified clinical hypnotherapist.